right, Bridget. So I'm going to show you where you can find your files that are saved for you and you're never going to have to search for them again. So when you go into your Google Chrome browser, which is the little browser that looks like the beach ball, you're going to hit maybe this plus button for a new window. And I would just type in Google Drive or Drive Google. And it's going to come up with this option. Go ahead and click the cloud storage. And I would click Go to Drive. You already have a Google Drive account through Park Hill, so go ahead and click Go to Drive. It might prompt you to log in with your Park Hill credentials, but this is the equivalent to OneDrive, but this is really how Schoology documents are set up with the shell courses. So here I have already saved your checklists from JJ's course. So I went into JJ's course and I just made a copy of Google. So in my drive, I have this, but if you go right over here to shared with me, you're going to find that you have your folder. You're going to have a folder in your shared with me that looks like, I'm going to toggle back to mine, but your folder says Groninger checklists in your shared with me. So if you go ahead and you open up that folder, your checklists are right there and you can edit them right here in Google and they will stay live. So I will reach out to you today to see what I can do on my end to help you out a little bit, but I wanted to give you a quick idea of where to get this. So I'm going to show you one more time. I'm going to X out of everything. If you type in Google Drive or Drive Google, click here, go to Drive. It's going to ask you to log in with your Park Hill credentials and then go to Shared with Me. You are going to find Groninger checklists and you can edit them right within Google and they will update automatically in Schoology. I hope this helps.